Hello, so now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So, number 4, that is about 2 square. So we need to transform this one into this one. And now we can simplify s plus number 2, s plus number 2. So we can put negative number 2 going here. And we have the final answer. Question number 2 is similar for this one. So that is about s minus number 6 multiplied by s plus number 6. And now we simplify. So I will put number 6 going here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.